morning, good morning! Ayan, papunta kami ng Unilever. This is the day that we will be in the competition. And what is my entry? Yung entry name is California Sushi Roll. It's a passionate take on our best Filipino flavors and ingredients in a new form. I love our... ano ba yan? Nawala na ako. Ay, take 2 ulit, ha? May take 2 naman. So, Kare California Sushi Roll is a passionate take on our best Filipino flavors and ingredients in a new form. I love our Pampanga kitchen as well as many others. I have been visiting modernist Japanese restaurants like Nobu, Ooma, and Zuma. And one of my greatest experiences was Ooma in Denmark. This really opened my eyes to how you can make a new normal dish. So my Kare California Sushi Roll has been inspired with my experiences there and my strong wish to create something really special but still Filipino in its soul. Of course, this deserves a place as a Funlasang Pinoy. It will win the competition. And I thank you. Oh, diba? See you there. Babush! Morning po. Marami na. So, here we are. Briefing muna daw. So, ayan guys. Hindi tayo pwede mag-live. Briefing na lang. Pakita natin. Ayun yung ano. Rose. Ayun yung price. Claim it. Claim it na. Hati tayo?
Oo.
Hati tayo. There you go. Kasi na ako dito. There you go. My first
within our premises. This ensures at the end of the day, you come back to your family and your loved ones safe, free from harm, and full of vitality.
In Unilever, safety is of paramount importance. We follow global safety standards across all our business operations. Safety is a core value within the business and its employees. As you walk through the office premises, please remember the following safety guidelines. Key things you have to know. Watch out for slip, trip, and fall hazards. Always use the handrail when using the stairs. Do not use your cell phone while walking. Always practice safe acts. Report unsafe conditions, near misses, or any accident to your host. Know where to go or follow your host in case of an emergency. Our office and building is a no smoking area. Before the start of your meeting, check with your host the nearest fire exit and emergency assembly point. For emergency situations like fire, an alarm is activated to alert everyone. In case of a fire, your host will assist you to the nearest emergency staircase exit. Safely exit the building in an orderly but quick manner and proceed to the emergency assembly point. Safety signs and emergency lights are provided to guide you in case you lose sight of your host. As people inside the building access the emergency exit from every floor, expected to become more and more crowded, always keep right to give way to the emergency response team. Have yourself checked and counted by the area she marshal or your host. Wait at the emergency assembly point for the all clear signal to be given before going back to your meet. Drop, cover, and hold. Wait for the advice from your host. Should evacuation be required, follow the same evacuation procedure.
Remember, Unilever value safety not only for its employees, but also guests just like you. So we would like to leave you a simple message since you are here with us in Unilever Philippines. Be safe always.
So yun guys, may pa-almusal dito. Oh. May puto-bongbong, Pasko na! Yay, may puto-bongbong. Ayan. Pakita natin yung surroundings. Ayan guys, oh may puto-bongbong. Kakain tayo yan. Walang diet today. Cheat day. Everyday naging cheat day na sa akin. Ayun, may bibingka rin yata sila. Naman. And then, what do we have more? Mag-aalmusal daw muna kami. Nandito lahat ng mga chefs. Ayan guys. May namit na akong new friendship. Oh, organic to guys. So we're having our breakfast here. Ano ito? Aris calda. Tapos meron kami ano?
Bibingka.
Bibingka. Pasko na guys.
Puto bongbong.
Saka puto bongbong. Diba? Yan. Nandito rin ang ating mga co-chef. Hi guys. Ayan. Diba? Ang daming organic guys. Madadagdagan na naman ng viewers. Tawag ko kasi organic. Kapag yung mga nanonood hindi YouTube. So, diba?
Live yan.
Hindi.
Record mo.
Kasi minimal lang po. Kaya kinilalify ko po kami
Guys.
yung 15 minutes na recess.
Mga kaano ko, mga ka-chefy.
Ang aming
Puko
vlogger
naman.
siya.
Ate, boda.
Taga sa amin din yan.
Isabela rin siya.
Sa Tiago rin yan.
Ano po yata pinakabata?
Bata ako. Batang isip. Nagpapatawa na naman ako dito, guys. Ayan. This is Chef.
Hello,
Your name is?
Chef Strice.
Strice. Where are you from originally?
Alaminos.
Alaminos, Pangasinan.
Yes.
Oh, Pangasinan din pala siya. Oh. Panggala to, Jamawatan. Kaya mo, di kaya kon. O, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, guys, marami akong alam na lengguwahe. Alam niyo naman ako, nag-international ako eh. Sa tabi-tabi lang. Mga language ko, napulot ko lang sa daan. And then, nandito sa kabila, sina Chef. Ayan, sa Matutina. Sa Pangasinan din siya. Ayan, isa. Chef! Kaya ang dami kong discount. Ayan. Iba-vlog natin yung mga restaurant nyo, Chef. Sabihin nyo. Baka mamaya puntahan ng mga kakilala ko.
Mas marami pa siyang subscribers.
This is judge natin mamaya. Yung influencer daw. Ayan, o diba?
Exploration.
Pwedeng ano lang. Mapapahiya yata ako nito. Sa mga kaano ko. Sa mga ka-YouTuber ko. Sabi ko, iuwi ko yung bacon. Baka yung bacon no?
May bacon ka.
Hindi. Bring the bacon. Baka pag nanalo, diba? Ay, ako. Hindi naman yung tapa. Nadatawa na dito.
Hiramin mo yung check.
Hiramin ko yung check. Kung narin, akin na to, guys!
Ikaw kunin ka lang.
Pahiramin, hindi mamaya pag papapicture muna ako sa'yo. Para at least meron ako ebidensya. Hindi naman nila malalaman, ipapaano ko yun, papapalit ko. May 100,000 na ako na kasama nung na nakapicture. So, nakakatawa, na-meet ko si Ate Beda dito, di ba?
Beda's takeaway po.
Beda's takeaway. Yan ko din siya katulad ko. Ay.
Actually, wala akong maisip kasing name.
Wala ka.
Kaya yung nickname ko na lang.
CBS FM radio station, MOR 101.9 for live. And I'm so much excited dahil ang daming magaganap today. Of course, I would like to welcome all our chefs, mga kasama po natin ngayon. Palakpakan po natin sila. Ang ating mga sarili, ang ating mga guest influencers, online, mga kasama.